Åh herregud! Wow! Satan! Yeah. Look the passengers, they're fucking there running.
Running?
Yeah.
Whoa, they go out.
I mean, are they gonna close down the airport? Because it is